Oh, what an adventure! Get lost with Google Maps. Good morning, everybody. We've got the sun for a little while today. We're moving into some really high winds over here in Western Australia. They go all the way down the coast to the South Australian border. Incredibly high winds. Well, not incredibly high, but high enough to do damage. Sustained winds around 70 kilometres an hour with gusts. Anyway, I thought I'd give you a closer look at what's going on across the road. There's another house down there that's just been done. Okay, what am I up to today? Alright, well today, can you see in here? Yes, you can. I'm going to be running the wires for the fridge. We're going to be coming off this 24 volt side here. Well, I could come off the 12 volt side. But the bigger battery is the 24 volt one, so we're coming off that to the fridge. I got the cord for that here. I don't know how long it needs to move. It's only having 2 amps through it. Then we've got to put this remote in. This is the simple on-off remote switch for the inverter. That's got to go inside the sleeping area. And then I've got 2 of these battery monitors. These work really good. So far, the one we put out at the ladies' caravan is working great. I did that as a freebie, so we're running a test on it out there. Alright, I got this wired. I just got to secure it to the wall. It's actually running, you can hardly hear it. Okay, let's go have a look. That's going to be really good because we're sleeping just above it. They did tell me it was quiet, so I've got it set. Oops, nearly fell off the step, people. So I've got it set for 3 degrees Celsius. It's got a little light in it, I don't know if you can see that. There. That's a beautiful tight door. They've way improved these. These are huge improvement, people. These stay cool. This is the Mark 2. The Mark 1s were, I'm sorry, stay cool, but they were just total rubbish. Okay, so we've got the shunts in. The fridge is working. Everything's working. We've just testing this one here for now. These have to sort themselves out. They have to work out where pull is. We're not going to worry about that. It's all just got to be tidied up now. Little bits of copper wires got to be picked up. The fridge is basically silent. We love it. It took 20 minutes to get from 18C to 3 degrees Celsius. That's acceptable for an empty 60 litre fridge. Yeah, alright people, hope you enjoy this video. We've just got to tie all the wires up out of the way. Yeah, they're not there's working room still in these wires, so I have to cut ends off and do that at any stage while we're on the road. I can do that. That's why I leave my working loops and all that sort of stuff in my wiring. It doesn't look incredibly neat, but it gives me, I'll tell you what, give me redundancy over neatness any day. Alright, so that's it. Keep safe everyone. Bye for now.